Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today is a very good day for me because I'm about to do a review on a product that just hit the market. And when I said I'm excited for the product, but I'm also excited for the person who get to collaborate with this brand. And it's none other than, yes, if you guys don't already know it, apart from me and her born this couple days apart, I really look up to Jackie Aina. I really do. So when I saw this collaboration with her and Anastasia Beverly Hills, I was like, what? My girl did that? I have to get this pilot. So yes, it's now at Sephora and I had to be, maybe I'm not the first, but I had to go in and get this. A lot of people do a review about it, but you know, I had to get my hand on it. So yes, look at that. Bling, bling, bling. That's just like my sister. And yes, I am so happy to see her name on the back of it. Jackie girl, I'm proud of you. Very proud of you. So that is the packaging, and of course, look at that. Many colors, psychedelic. Because we're very flamboyant, so you guys already know we were going to come up with something like this. Yes. Just wait until I get my opportunity. I'm going to do the same thing. Anyway, guys, let's get into this product before I keep going on and on. So I already did my eyebrows, and I'm going to review this palette. Yes. So again, same thing as a box. Many colors. Now let's get into it and see what we are working with here. So these are the shade, as you guys already know, always come with a brush, 2 ends. And these are the color. Aren't you loving this color? Now, Anastasia has something similar to this, but not the same. So I'm very happy Jackie was able to put her stamp on this palette. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna create a look. Not sure what type of look yet, but just if you want to see how these color pay off and the pigment. I watched her when she did a review on this, and trust me, the colors are the bomb. But anyway, guys, stay tuned and watch this palette review. All right. So I'm not going to talk through all the video. I'm just going to do a quick look, and then I'll come back and tell you how the colors were, if they were easy to blend, and how pigmented they were. All right. So watch this video. All right, so I have completed my eyeshadow look. If you can see, I hope you guys could see that. I'm actually brightening up under my eyes because I'm trying to do something dramatic. So I am brightening up under my eyes just to give this look a little dramatic look. And you guys know I never have my things together. And I'm using Honey from Fenty just to set under my eyes. And then I'm gonna give you guys a full review of what I think about this palette that Auntie Jackie has done. Yeah, so that's all I'm gonna do for that. All right, so this is my final review. This has been a work. I have used 2 cameras to try to record this tutorial, and I'm telling you, but the Lord is in control. So definitely I will purchase this palette again when it's finished. Yes, this was a very good palette that Jackie collaborated with Anastasia Beverly Hills with, and that's what it looks like. And beautiful colors. I use Credit, Big Wig, and also I use Zane. All those shades to create the look that I currently wearing. And if you guys could see, I try to look down as best as possible because I have wooded eyes. And I'm using my cell phone to record the end of this tutorial. So I definitely love this palette. The colors are blendable. They're not hard to work with. Very good palette, very good color scheme. You could create so many different looks with this palette. I have not sit down and gone over all the shades. Those are the 3 shades that I've used, and I love it. Love it, love it. So yes, it is $46. But I think it's worth the $46. The color payoff, the blendability, if there's such a word, it blends very well. So yes, it's worth every dollar. So guys, if you're in the market for an eyeshadow, a good one that is compatible with every color that you can possibly think of, then I think the Jackie Aina with the collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills is a very good palette to invest in. Yes, guys, so that's it. This look was very simple and quick, very quick. So you guys can recreate it. If you do, leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys have done with this palette or what look you guys have created with this palette. All right, well, that's all I have, guys. That is all that I have. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment below and tell me how I do with this look. Yes, I am loving it. Yes. Anyway, leave a comment below. See you guys on my very next video. Bye-bye.